Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon pencil. So hope you get to follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon pencil, we're going to begin right here with a point. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down at an angle. And then we're going to bring it back out here at an angle too. Next, I'm going to bring this line up at an angle, and I'm going to bring this line up at an angle as well. Next, we're going to curve this line down to connect it. And then right here, I'm going to start to curve this down. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to make a couple little points on here. And then we'll curve it down to here. We'll make a little curved line right here for the tip. And then we'll make an oval shape right in there. And then you can go ahead and just color in the point right here of your pencil. Now, starting right here, let's add the metal part. We're going to go up, just bring it down, kind of follow that curve, and connect it here. Then let's do it again. Just kind of go up, follow that curve, and bring it right to here. Starting here, we're going to go up, we're going to curve it, and then we're going to come down, and that forms the eraser. Now, starting here, let's add a little face. I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. Leave some space, and we'll make another circle for an eye right here. Then we'll add a black dot inside each one for the pupil. We're going to make a line across. Then a line's going to come down and up for the mouth. Go ahead and add a little sad face in there for the tongue, and then just color this part in for the rest of the mouth. Then I'm going to go and just draw a line that comes from this part of my pencil all the way up here. And then we'll do the same thing right up here, just for some lines on our pencil. And there you go, there is your drawing of a cartoon pencil. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.